Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to grow a Moomoo trading account. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, I'll put a link to them down below where you guys can get up to 15 free stocks by signing up. So make sure you guys click that link. But also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the markets, I highly recommend going on and checking out the Swing Trading Masterclass. That is my school where I exclusively teach people my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity. So make sure you guys check that out, and you guys can use code HALFOFF to get 50% off. Only valid for this week, so check it out. You guys absolutely love that code, so we're going to do like a little early spring sale with it, so check that out. But guys, let's jump into this. So when it comes with making money off a broker, whether it's Moomoo, whether it's Robinhood or TD Ameritrade, there is a million different ways and strategies that you guys can make money. There is a bunch. You guys could buy a position, hold it for 10 years, long-term approach. Also, you could buy dividend stocks that pay you cash flow. There is so many exclusively different ways to make money from the stock market. But overall, as we invest and trade in the market, what is our goal? Well, it's one thing, and that is to make money. So this strategy and mindset and approach that I'm going to be talking about is a way that I've done it for 6 years with Moomoo to make money from swing trading in the market. Now, swing trading is a little different than a variety of other ways to make money, because what I'm doing is I'm buying positions, I'm holding them for a couple of days. On average, it's about 6 to 9 days, but there will be times where I hold it for a couple of months, and there will be times where I buy a position today and sell it tomorrow. It all depends on the stock and my approach with it. So guys, this is my strategy and my approach when it comes with swing trading and pretty much growing a account. So let's pull it up here. So you guys can see here, this is a stock that we recently traded here, was Allstate, ticker symbol ALL. Now, this is a trend line approach. So it's very, very simple. What we're doing is we're drawing a nice trend line on all of these dips. What we're looking for is a minimum of 3 touch points. Also, basic technical analysis, so basic charting, states that old resistance has a tendency to act as new support. So look at this. So resistance is just where we get natural tendencies of getting selling pressure here. So you guys can see it hits it, sell off, hits it, sell off, and then we did get that breakout above it. And now it's hitting this line, establishing this nice support. So if you're gonna buy this position, like I did, you're gonna try to buy it as close as you can to that line. Obviously, we hopped in, as you guys can see, near and around this 163 area, setting our stop loss at 159. And as of right now, we're up about 6%, which is absolute fantastic risk and reward. Now, the thing about trading, and especially trading with Moomoo, is they have all these amazing drawing tools. So you guys can draw different trend lines. You can draw, different extended lines, horizontal line, parallel lines. There's so many different ways to draw, which is awesome. Now, another stock that we recently traded here was Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble, you guys can see we had that old trend line here that broke down. Now, that breakdown is normal, and honestly, always has historically represented a good opportunity to short a position. Shorting is just betting for it to go down in simple terms. Now, you guys can see this is a little different. You guys can see this blue line here. So this blue line is what we call a 90-day moving average line. Historically, they act as support and resistance. So when the stock is above it, you guys can see we've seen a lot of tendencies of getting buying pressure. But as the stock falls below it, it also acts as selling pressure. You guys can see it hits it, sell off, hits it a little sell off. Then we got that breakout, and then it slowly rallied its way up. So if you're going to buy a position, you're going to want to buy it all the way down on these moving average lines. Now, you guys can see I have the blue and the red. So the red historically acts as more support and resistance, but it's also the 200-day moving average line. It's just a harder support and resistance. So if you're going to try to buy a position, personally, I like to buy it on the 200 because it's a lot harder support. That's where we see a lot of tendencies of getting hedge funds buying it there, other retail investors, and it's just more volume normally. And as we scroll out, you guys can see that just because it's on a moving average line, right, that doesn't mean it's a for sure buy, right? You guys can see this dip down and we got sell off here. But the importance of showing you this is understanding your approach with risk management. So risk management is pretty much how do you minimize your losses? Because with trading, you could be the best trader in the world, but at some point you're going to lose money. Even Warren Buffett's lost money, Ray Dalio, Paul Tudor Jones, all the world-class traders and investors in the world, they've lost money on positions. So how you go about understanding that and having that approach is what I always do is I always set my stop loss below the support line. So if we hopped in here, I would set my stop loss about here. I would set it just a little bit down. So if we do get some buying pressure here, we're not going to get immediately stopped out. But you guys can see the stock continue to rally down, and this selling here prevented a massive amount of sell off or massive account balance going to zero. But this is a very, very easy strategy that you guys can do whether you're just getting started or you've been trading. Now, this is one last position that we are in on. We're up a little bit as of today, and this is on Shopify. So like I mentioned, the 90-day access support, but also the 200-day access support. So we hopped in near around the 169 area, 169. And as of right now, we're up a little bit, and hopefully we can get a push back up to the 90-day moving average line for resistance. So this is the great thing about using Moomoo is they offer fantastic tools, fantastic indicators. Now you might be saying, well, Carter, how do you add those indicators? Well, it's very, very simple. Click this gear icon, go to manage indicators, click EMA, and you guys can adjust them right here. So you guys can see we have the 90, we have the 200, and then as we scroll down, we have the RSI, which is the relative strength index here. So that is pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, make sure you guys click that link down below because you guys can get up to 15 free stocks. And a lot of people, guys, one last thing before I end it, a lot of people think that trading is an easy way to get rich quick. And guys, trading is a job. You got to treat it like a job. You have to. If you want it to do it as a side hustle and you're only going to do it once a week, you're going to get subpar results. So treat it like a job, invest in that education, practice, 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 learn as much as you can before you guys fund a Moomoo account and start making that bread. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new because we are almost at 30,000 subscribers. So we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.